4. Attention of replacing wheel and operation of replacing wheel. 4-1. Attention of replacing wheel. 4-1.1. Determine the material of end mill before grinding. Please use SDC diamond wheel for carbide end mill. Please use CBN diamond wheel for HSS end mill. 4-1.2. Determine the fluid of the end mill and use the proper collet holder. GH-313 is suitable for 2, 3 and 4 fluid end mill. 4-1.3. Aligning end mill is the most important among the steps. Make sure to complete this step before grinding. 4-1.4. This machine is guaranteed for 1 year under normal operating. Expendable parts and wheels are exceptions. Please inform the serial number, see names of components when the machine needs to be repaired. 4-1.5. For end mill diameter 4 to 5 mm, be sure to push with very slightly motion while grinding the primary edge due the outer diameter of wheel is smaller. 4-1.6. The motor cannot run continuously over 1 hour. 4-2. Replacing the wheel. Please confirm that the switched off and unplugged machine only guarantees security. 4-2.1. Removing the wheel cover. Loosen the 3 screws in the wheel cover counterclockwise with 4 mm Allen key. Take out the cover. 4-2.2. Remove the washer and wheel. Hold the wheel with left hand and loosen the screw counterclockwise with 4 mm Allen key with right hand. Take out the screw, black washer and wheel. Replace the wheel after the temperature of the wheel goes down to normal temperature. 4-2.3. Cleaning the grinding dust. Clean the grinding dust with pressurized air and wipe the outside with dry cloth. 4-2.4. Replacing the new wheel. Please use A wheel when diameter 4 to 5 mm, 6 to 30 mm use B wheel. 2T especially use C wheel. Take a new proper wheel, then reinstall wheel, washer, screw and wheel cover namely completed. The motor hub is very precise. It will be damaged by excessive force and affect the position of the wheel accordingly.